We've added a jobs pipeline to the Giig platform recently. Seems crazy. We've been doing this, building this product for about 2 years, and we've never had a way for you as a recruiter to understand the jobs you've got on and what their value is to you. But we now finally have that. So as you start adding jobs to the Giig system, you get a nice overview of where all your jobs are at and what the commission is going to be to you as you start to fill those positions, which is quite nice because obviously it's really important to know the potential revenue that you're going to bring into the business. And it gives us now 3 really nice visual dashboards for 3 core areas of interest for anyone that's building a recruitment agency. You've got the jobs pipeline to see where your jobs are at, what the commission is. You've got your interview pipeline so you can see where all your candidates are with the clients that you're working with. And then you've got a companies pipeline where you can add in companies as potential prospects and then move them through the process all the way until they become a live client where you've got agreed terms. I'll run you through this very quickly. To get to the jobs pipeline, you come up to jobs and pipeline. That's fairly self-explanatory. So what you get is you then get this pipeline view here where you've got a list of all the jobs that you've got active. Up in the top here, you've got the commission. All you do to add a job is fairly simple. If I'm just going to add a live job, I click that little plus icon there, select the company, give it a title, just call it new job. You can decide whether it's permanent contract, lead or live, salary or not. Just hit create. That's going to then create that new job. If I do a quick refresh, chucks it into the pipeline for you there. Once that's in, when you start adding candidates, it will automatically move through the process. So as you add candidates, as you book in interviews, as you confirm hires, it moves through and you can hover over this little bar anytime to give yourself an overview of like where the breakdown of where all the different candidates are for that specific job.